Making a dry point plate using card. First of all, draw out your design lightly on the card and then scratch into it using a sharp instrument. You can use the edge of a nail or a needle. The deeper you scratch and the bigger the burr you kick up, the darker line you will get. If you do a light one like that, you'll get a lighter line. As well as scratching into the card, you can also lift areas of card so that you get the grey, which will make give you a grey instead of a line. So you can lift that and then you can pull it, and then you get areas. Let's make sure that it doesn't tear. As well as that, making creases in the card can give interesting effects. So I want, this is a curtain which has got a knot in it, so I'm making creases. So I'll make some creases there, and we'll see how those print out as well. I've now finished scratching into the plate, so now I will ink it up. Using a bit of card, draw the ink over the plate with a piece of card. Then I get my scrim, make it into a ball, and to start off with I rub it, pushing the ink, making sure it's got into all the grooves. Once I've done that, it's time to take off any excess ink. So do a ball again so that you're just taking ink off the surface. And start cleaning your plate. Now I think also I'll leave some ink. I won't wipe the bottom completely clean. I'll wipe the window completely clean though. This particular card stains, so even though it's that blue, it won't necessarily print out quite that dark, it's just the stain. Then for the final cleaning, just the bits I want to highlight, I can do with tissue paper. We're now ready to print, so put your plate in position on the bed. Get your piece of dampened paper, put it on top. Tissue paper, blankets, and roll slowly through the press. There we have our print